Are you tired of spending time and energy comparing various rental property management software platforms? Well, fear not, because in your research, you've probably come across one of the juggernauts in the space, Buildium. But with a multitude of property management solutions available, determining the best suit for your business isn't as straightforward as it may seem. And that's why in this video, we're going to introduce you to the top Buildium alternatives on the market today. Let's get into it. Welcome back, Loopers. It's Mohammed Abu-Ghosh with DoorLoop. Stick around to the end to see how you can get a discount on our software if you're interested. Now, before we can look at any of the alternatives, we need to take a closer look at Buildium and see what they have to offer. Buildium is extremely popular in the property management space and has a wide range of features. Now, some of the most notable features that they offer include a tenant portal, owner portal, maintenance management, expense tracking, online payments, and much more. And they also provide a 14-day free trial to help you get started. But now that we've achieved some basic understanding of Buildium, let's move on to explore some of the top alternatives. The first alternative on our list is our very own DoorLoop. DoorLoop is one of the leading property management software options on the market, known for its robust feature set and ease of use. It's suitable for a wide range of properties, including affordable housing, community associations, student housing, and residential if you're seeking that. Now, DoorLoop has a lightning-fast, user-friendly package with intuitive mobile tools and competitive pricing to boot. If you're considering DoorLoop, here are some of the features that they offer. Purpose-built accounting suite for comprehensive accounting, automated listing syndication to enhance property visibility, integration with accounting software such as QuickBooks, a convenient owner and tenant portal for efficient communication and rent collection, advanced maintenance management tools, and a whole host of leasing tools. When it comes to the pricing, DoorLoop starts at only $49 per month for up to 20 properties. Now, transitioning to our second alternative, we have Propertyware. Propertyware is an excellent choice for single-family property management, particularly if you have to prioritize strong accounting features. But let's take a look at some of the key features that they do offer: an owner portal, tenant portal, robust accounting features like we mentioned earlier, and custom reporting, maintenance management, and much more. Now, Propertyware's pricing is pretty straightforward at just $1 per unit per month with a $250 monthly minimum. They also offer a free trial so you can try it out before committing. And now let's delve into RentRedi, another user-friendly property management software designed to assist property managers with residential or commercial properties effortlessly. RentRedi is a budget-friendly option for property managers, and their features include a tenant portal for rent collection and online payments, tenant screening tools, maintenance request management, marketing tools, a mobile app, and dedicated customer support. Now, RentRedi follows a pay-as-you-go pricing model, starting at just $19.95 per month, but you can also save some money by choosing a 6-month or annual plans with considerable features across the board. Now, transitioning to our fourth alternative, Avail is another budget-friendly option for property management software and a user-friendly interface. Avail's features include online rent collection, tenant screening, maintenance request management, digital leasing, and marketing tools. Now, Avail's pricing stands out pretty heavily with the 100% free plan, making an excellent choice for new property managers. But if you're feeling limited and want some more advanced features, they do offer a paid plan at just $7 per unit per month. And rounding off our list, let's explore our fifth alternative, Appfolio. Now, Appfolio is a feature-rich option for rental properties, including smart bill entry and automated late fees. Their key features include advanced accounting, such as smart bill entry and robust reporting, automated late fees and rent collection, and maintenance management request features. Now, Appfolio's pricing varies depending on the plan. It ranges from $1.40 to $3 per unit with a $280 monthly minimum, similar to Propertyware. So now we've looked at some incredible alternatives to Buildium, but where does that leave us? Well, to wrap things up, Buildium is nonetheless one of the great solutions on the market, but there are still some incredible options when it comes to alternatives. But regardless of the property management software you choose, ensure it aligns with all your business needs and specific requirements. You can definitely save some money with some of the more budget-friendly options, but ensure that you're not missing out on any key features that you may need later on down the line. Now, if you think DoorLoop might be the right fit for you, then click the link below to schedule your free demo with one of our account executives. They'll get to know what your specific needs are and show you everything that we offer in greater detail. Plus, with that link, you stand a chance to receive a limited time discount that we're offering on this video as well. But whatever you decide to do, we hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned to DoorLoop for all things property management, and we'll see you soon, Loopers.